Good morning, students. So, today we are going to study the Bridge Builder, which is Unit 9 of your literature textbook. And this particular poem is written by Will Allen Drungoole. So, let us go ahead. An old man going a lone highway came at the evening cold and grey to a chasm vast and deep and wide, through which was flowing a sullen tide. So here we're talking about an old man who was going all alone on a highway, and by evening, when it is quite cold, when the sun is almost about to set, he reached near a deep valley, and the valley was quite deep and vast, and there was a water flowing body that was quite sullen. Sullen means it was quite full. So he reached there. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The sullen stream had no fears for him. But he turned when safe on the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. So he crossed to the other side of the chasm, and while crossing, he did not fear the sullen water, he did not fear the depth, and bravely he went to the other side. But when he reached on the other side, he decided something. He decided to build a bridge. Old man said, a fellow pilgrim near, your wasting strength will building here. Your journey will end with the ending day. You never again must pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build you the bridge at the eventide? So when he was building the bridge, one of the pilgrim asked him, "Oh, you old man, why are you wasting your strength? What is the need to build a bridge, as you already have crossed the chasm and you're not going to go back? So your journey is over. Then why are you building this bridge, and for whom?" So according to the pilgrim, the old man was just wasting his time in building the bridge. According to the pilgrim, it is just a futile attempt because the old man's journey is over and he is already safe on this side and he is not going to go back. So why? What is the need? The builder lifted his old grey head. "Good friend, in the path I have come," he said. "There followeth after me today a youth whose feet must pass this way." So the old man lifted his old grey head. So he was old, hairs were grey, white in color. He lifted up and he answered the pilgrim that, "You know, when I was coming all along the highway, I saw a young man who was far behind me, and I know that he will come to this place, and that too in the evening. Okay? This chasm that has been not to me, to that fair-haired youth may be a pitfall be. He too must cross in the twilight dim. Good friend, I am building the bridge for him." So the old man said to the pilgrim that he will come. He too need to cross this chasm which is vast and wide and which is full of sullen water. And he will reach there at the twilight dim. It means that almost when the sun is set. It is not dark, but you can say almost it is evening and the light is quite dim everywhere. So the old man said that for me it was nothing. I did not fear while crossing this valley, but this valley might pose a threat to the young man. For him, it might be impossible to cross this chasm which is vast and deep and which is sullen water, and that too in evening. But for me it was nothing. However, I want him to pass this chasm safely. And my friend, it is for that young man I'm building this bridge. So, what is the moral that we get from this particular poem? Is that we need to be selfless, we need to be kind hearted, and we need to think of others, and we need to put ourselves in their shoe. So, according to the pilgrim, building the bridge is a futile effort. But according to the old man, this has an importance because he is building the bridge for that young man. So, mostly what happened, once our job is over, we never think of other people. But this old man wants to convey this message to all the reader. Okay? That once your journey is over, think of the difficulty and challenges that you faced and try your best to put yourself into others' shoe and try to help others. Maybe you got easy with this challenge or problem. Like for old man, it was nothing. It was quite easy to cross the deep chasm, that too in the twilight. But maybe for the young man, it could be dangerous. So, though his journey ended, he made it a point to build the bridge so that the young man might cross the valley safely. And he did it not only for the young man, I would say, he did it for all the traveler who will cross this chasm in the near future. So for their safety, in order to save their time, he decided to build the bridge. But if you compare the old man with the pilgrim, you see the pilgrim was selfish. Because he asked the question that there is no need to build the bridge. Why? Because he thought only about himself. Since his journey was over, he never thought of building the bridge for others. But then, this message was conveyed to him that my journey is over, it doesn't matter. But in order to smoothen the journey of other fellow traveler and the young man, I'm building this bridge. So we need to be helpful, we need to be kind-hearted towards others. So this was the moral and this was the explanation. I will also share one more video along with this, and in the next class we'll discuss the question and answer as well as the explanation part. I will send you in written. In case after this you have any issue, then of course you can contact the teacher or to me on my personal WhatsApp. Thank you and have a nice day.